Welcome to AndreaJean's 10-minute chakra meditation for balancing and clearing healing. Listen to this for 21 days, along with any other meditations linked in the description box playlist below for optimal healing, energy, and completion of anything that you have set your mind to. The goal of this meditation is to assist you with the flow of energy and to strengthen and enhance the flow of all things throughout your body and mind. We often live lives of clutter, not only physically, but emotionally. This meditation will help strengthen the flow of all the energy throughout your body. Forgiveness will greatly enhance your energetic flow and your energetic health. Let's begin. Get fully comfortable and take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. This time is for you and for you alone. We're going to be starting today at the base or your root chakra. I want you to say to yourself, I exist. I exist. I exist. You absolutely exist and are beautiful and wonderful. Relax your body from the tips of your toes to the top of your head or crown. You are safe, you are secure, and you are exactly where you need to be. Moving up to your lower abdomen, I want you to concentrate on the flow of energy in and throughout your lower abdomen. Imagine the color orange flowing throughout this area of your body. And I want you to repeat to yourself, I desire, I desire, I desire. Keep imagining the color orange flowing throughout your sacrum. You are living your life of passion, and whatever you desire will be. Claim your dreams and make them a reality. Moving up to your solar plexus, I want you to envision the color yellow. And this is related to power in the world, your power in this world. You may have heard the term fire in your belly, because you absolutely have the fire in your belly. Keep visualizing the color yellow. By having the proper flow of energy through your solar plexus, you will no longer obsess over things that are out of your control. A healthy flow of energy in this area allows you to control your destiny and truly embrace the power that is within you. Keep imagining this color yellow moving in and out. And repeat to yourself, I am in control. I am in control. I am in control of my happiness and destiny in life. Moving your attention to your heart, I want you to imagine the color green. The color green flowing in and out through your body. Green resembles love and compassion and is at your heart center. It symbolizes healthy relationships, family, and appreciation for all things. I want you to repeat to yourself, I love. I love. I love. Becoming attuned to all the energies that flow in and out and through your body will help you maximize clarity and peace in anything that you set your mind to. Keep imagining the color green flowing freely throughout you. You are open to receiving and giving love. I want you to feel the great love that is all around you. And I want you to shine all the love that you are. Moving up to your throat. This is where you speak your truth into the world. Imagine the color blue flowing in and out through your throat. This energy allows you to ask for what you need in this world and to be able to communicate it clearly. It helps you speak your truth into this world. Keep imagining the color blue. I want you to repeat to yourself, I express. I express. I express. You will no longer suppress your own beautiful voice. You will speak your truth, and your love and words will vibrate through those around you. Keep imagining this color blue. Beautiful blue. Beautiful blue energy flowing in and around you. Moving up to your third eye, I want you to imagine the color indigo. It represents your insight, intuition, and awareness. And I want you to repeat to yourself, I am the witness. I am the witness. I am the witness. You truly know what's inside of you and what you are capable of. Your inner voice and your inner guidance is so strong, and it guides you to exactly what you need to attune to. Keep imagining this beautiful purple indigo color flowing in and around you. And last but not least, moving your attention and energy to your crown. Imagine the color violet or a violet white light. Imagine the top of your head, beautiful energy flowing in and around. And I want you to repeat yourself, I am that I am. I am that I am. I am that I am. Focusing on these energies will increase your health and the energy flowing in and around your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Becoming aligned with your energy your mind, body, and soul will help you be the best version of yourself, to truly allow you to share your gifts and talents with this world. You have everything that you need in the force inside you. You are an amazing human, and thank you.